morning everyone. Welcome to the Philippines. Today, February 4, 2026, we are going to explore St. William's Mountain. It is approximately 36 kilometers from here. Right now, 8:50, so I can reach there 10 o'clock. Past 1 year, I want to go there, but today is the day I'm going to explore the place. Let's do it. Right now, the time is 9:40. Back there, so much of traffic, so I had to slow down. Almost like 3 kilometers. I'm riding the hill road. The road is not bad, it's pretty good. Still, I had to go 6.5 kilometers. Wow, beautiful. Nice. Now the road is getting better. Cement road. Woohoo! Seriously. So the fun ends over here. We are going the gravel road. Another 5 kilometers. Now it's a mountain road. It's very bumpy. I had to go around less than 20 kilometers speed. I have no other choice. My camera getting loose. Looks like a viewpoint over there. I don't know. But our destination still 2.5 kilometers. It was closed. Hello po. I didn't expect that. Seriously, still I had to go 2 kilometers. I don't know. Looks like I'm going down. Wow. Whoa. I was doing full brake. Zero clutch. If you like this video so far, please like and comment below. And subscribe to the channel would be awesome. Thank you. 1.4 kilometers. Quite challenging. Wow! My background seriously fantastic. You can see it. All right, we're almost here. I can see it. Seriously? Awesome. Look at that. The tower looks so beautiful. Wow. Actually, I want to go there. It's going to be fantastic. At the same time, I can see some eagle. I don't know, I can fly my drone. Let's see how it goes. I can see the tower. There's a way also going up. That is also on the top. This is also top. Let me go check the tower first. It's a huge tower. All right now it's like a 10:15. It took longer than I thought, and somehow this area very windy. I don't know how much you can hear me. It pushing me this side. Beautiful place. Wow, fantastic. Look at the tower, how huge it is. I'm going to fly the drone over there. Wow. All the place here. Almost stop. Beautiful place. had a great time. I highly recommend for everyone. Right now it's like 11:30. I'm leaving this place. Beautiful place. I had a good time. I'm leaving now. Look at it. Look at it. Beautiful. The tower. I don't know how they built this tower because the wind is too high. It is not even moving by inch. Seriously. Well, nicely built. Thank you for watching. Please like and comment below. And subscribe to my YouTube channel would be awesome. I'll see you guys next video soon. Thank you. Bye.